Yeah, I got in the dollar. I'm in the dollar yen there. Let's see. Let's see if this will see. This should be ABC down, right? Should be. Let's see if it goes A, B. See you later. Well, maybe 160.44. 160.44, maybe. Okay, let's go. Let's get paid. Big one. Monkey. So then what? Stack right there, right?
Mhm.
Hit me, baby. Hit me. Bam.
There you
Mm. Oh, sweet Jesus. Hey, there we go.
go.
Right. Right. Come on, baby. Should drop to 160.44. Well, I'll take 219 out of that.
Yeah.
From the ABC. So usually, when it that pull back, here we go. Watch, look.
Oh,
Bam! Pay me. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
yeah.
Oh,
Looks good.
oh.
That's the way to end it.
Yeah, 100% expansion. Now watch the reversal off that. Watch it hit back
Yeah.
up off that 100%. This is
Mhm.
100% expansion.
Yeah.
AB equals CD. Watch the thing go poof. It will,
Now,
oh,
now, now, when it goes back up, would you wait for a candle or two, or would you get
yeah,
right in on the first green
yeah.
candle?
I'll probably want to see a. I want to see a green candle. Green candle, trend line break, color change.
Yeah.
I made that my password. Trend line break, color change. By the
Yeah.
watch. Here we go. So five. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Ah, in the money. Go, baby, go. Stop loss below the 200 moving average.
It's got
Oof.
a good stochastic.
Yeah, I get that. You got a hook. You got a hook in stochastics. You got a hook in MACD. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Pay me. Like, come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Pay me now. Oh, come on, baby. Inside day. Don't give it away. 74. I'm just gonna take that. I'm just gonna take it. There we go. There we go. Because after ABC, it's one pullback, two, then three, right? So you need to draw another line. This is Pippen Run stuff. This is there we go. Bam, hit it again, right? And then that should take your extension. See, look at that. See, look at that. Oh, in the money already. Look at that,
Yeah.
baby. That baby. Pay me. Pay me. Take that. Bam. Hit it again. Bam.
You got to
Bam.
show us your crystal ball sometime.
Bam. I'm just counting. Just count,
I'm
count
kidding.
the count the
I'm
five and
kidding.
know your ABCs, right?
Right
Remember?
on. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, of course.
Look at that. Look at that. Pay me. Take it again. Oof. This is I'm getting flashbacks of her old. Remember? Remember? Like,
House of pleasure. Bye, bye, bye!
guys, did you see that? There, pay me.
Yeah.
Yeah, pay me. Close it out. Oh, it's hung up. Oh, don't cheat me out of this money.
Yeah, it's gonna flip on
Oh, look at that.
now. That was great.
Dang.
That was good.
Hey guys, show me some love in the chat box. Show me some dollar signs in the chat box if you like now that was Pippen Run. That's a whole different another planetary dimension there. But you know,
It's wonderful to see.
yeah, it's refreshing.
Hey, thanks a lot. It's
Everybody,
always great to be here.
and I'm so glad to have you guys here. You're such a blessing. Yeah. So
Have a great weekend.
you too. Bye bye.
All right, take care, man.
Bye.